Hi guys, it's Lulu Bella here. I'm back with another video. I'm proud of myself. I'm actually being consistent for now. I can't promise anything about the future. Well, yeah. So this is my channel and I'm here to do another noodle challenge for you. It's the 2 times spicy one. Once again, hold on, let me get the pack. 2 times spicy. Look. So yeah, I just still had one more packet left, so I decided to do this one again. I haven't done it in a long time. So here are the noodles, and here's the sauce and the spices, and yeah. So yeah, back to the introduction. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and yeah, don't forget to comment below, smash the like button. Okay, so we're gonna put the spices in there. Yeah, I'll finish. That didn't work very well. Ow. Got some on my tongue. I guess there was a hole. Now time for the sauce. Sauce. Whatever. There's a hole. Okay. So. Ew, that sounds weird. Tissue. Now for the spices. Try this one open, it's great. It's not really spices, it's just sesame seeds. It looks like sesame seeds. And whatchamacallit, seaweed. Okay. Now we mix. I'm gonna hold this very close to my face. This is actually a mixing bowl. There's just oh my goodness. This is actually a mixing bowl. And I'm trying to train myself to look at the lens, not the viewfinder. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. But we're mixing. I'm gonna hold this close to me because I'm wearing a cute dress and I don't want to get myself dirty this time. Not today. No. As per usual, before I start eating this, public service announcement. Disclaimer. I don't know if I'm going to hiccup. If I hiccup, great. If I don't, whatever. Watch my videos anyway. First bite. Hold on. That was pretty fast. 2 times spicy. 2 times spicy does it every time. I have to talk really fast because I'm making my hiccup. I don't know if I can finish it all of it this time. Oh gosh. Well, there you go. You got hiccups. This is yummy. Hot but yummy. I think I'm done. There's this much left, but I'm not eating anymore. You know what? Let me be a soldier. My lips are burning, but I need this video to be a certain length, so we're gonna add more. The suicide is real. You like my hair today? It's out. I love it. It's like in the shape of a heart. In the shape of a heart. If you like my hair, let me know how you feel about it down below. Oh my god. My lips. Looks like I have lipstick on, but I don't. Okay, that's enough. I can't. Here we go, crying again. So spicy. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? I wipe all this off from my lips. Okay. I'm gonna get some water. I need water, milk. So, I got my Soca Brainwash cup here. And yeah. Oh. That's so much better. My boobs are trying to escape my bra, but it's okay. There we go. Ow. Still burning. Well, there you go. I hiccuped this time. And yeah, my lips are on fire, but I'll be okay. Just let me know what else you guys want to see. Oh yeah, I have something special for you guys coming up. It's another challenge, and like, it's not noodles, but it is spicy. You'll see what happens. I'm not gonna tell you. Okay? I'm just waiting for the product to arrive in the mail. So that's exciting. I'm excited for that. That's probably gonna kill me, but you know, that's what I do on this channel. All for you guys, my foodies. Okay, anyways, I gotta go, so I will see you later. Bye, my foodies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Nothing in this world could ever stop us. You plus me, no, they'll never block us. One unit as strong as can be. Ain't no one better fitted for me. Ride or die, yes, I'll be your Bonnie. My clad forever chose we. I was a lock, you had the key. Open me up for the whole world to see. If not for you, I wouldn't be here. Rapping on this track, I'd still be scared. Hiding inside my safe little shell. You gave me confidence, made my head swell. Now I know I'm destined to do great things. With you by my side, I'll always win. I gotta thank you, you gave me wings. Hypnotized, flying with the wind. You know you've got me